said, let's keep things moving. Number 1. Adultery is legal. Adultery is a controversial and often taboo topic in many societies around the world. But did you know that it's actually legal in South Korea? Yeah, you heard that right. Adultery is not considered a criminal offense in South Korea, and people can engage in extramarital affairs without fear of legal repercussions. This may come as a surprise to many people, especially those from countries where adultery is illegal and punishable by law. In fact, South Korea is one of the few developed countries where adultery is legal. But why is this the case? The answer lies in South Korea's history and culture. South Korea is a deeply conservative society with strong Confucian values that emphasize family, loyalty, and social harmony. Traditional Korean society placed a great deal of importance on the institution of marriage, and adultery was seen as a grave offense that could bring shame and dishonor to both the individual and their family. However, over the past few decades, South Korea has undergone significant social and cultural changes. The country has become more open and liberal, and attitudes towards sex, relationships, and marriage have shifted. Divorce rates have risen, and many young people choose to delay or forego marriage altogether. Against this backdrop of social change, the South Korean government reevaluated its stance on adultery. In 2015, the country's constitutional court ruled that the adultery law was unconstitutional and struck it down. The court argued that the law infringed upon individual privacy and freedom and was no longer relevant in modern Korean society. The decision was met with mixed reactions from the public. Some welcomed the ruling as a step towards greater individual freedom and autonomy, while others saw it as a threat to traditional values and family cohesion. The decision also sparked a debate about the state's role in regulating personal relationships and morality. What's your take on this?